Hello, my name is Courtney Chase, and for my project, I have made a maze game. For the purpose of this video, I'll be running through all three levels of my maze, easy, medium, and hard, to show the successful completion of all three. However, I will only be running through the special features in Maze 1, as this maze is the simplest to navigate, and the special features have the same code regardless of what maze they're running in, so it would be redundant to go through all three. I will start by entering the quest we will take on. I'll show the error checking in the acquiring the quest number. So if we enter a level that is outside of the available bounds, as you can see 7 and 5, then you'll be prompted again to enter a level. I'll enter 1 because that is our first level. So I will go through the time bonus first. To navigate the maze, you'll work from the bottom to the top in order to escape. Rows are numbered 8 to 1 with row 8 at the bottom and row 1 at the top. Columns are numbered 1 to 8 from left to right. Along the way, you can see your torchlit path on the bitmap display. Work briskly, adventurer. A timely quest will secure a greater reward. Make your move. Enter a row and column in that order. I'll drag in our bitmap display, and we will begin entering. So for time bonus, I will run first. 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. And that was our final space. So due to the speed with which you completed your quest, you earned a greater reward. And that message indicates that the user has received our time bonus. So you see the walkway ahead of you open up and realize you reached the end. Through your success, you've been rewarded with 1,140 gold pieces and a small fire ruby. Each maze has their own specialty loot. The small fire ruby is the specialty loot for this maze. The base treasure for this maze is 1,000 gold pieces. The time bonus got us an extra 140 gold pieces. At the end of each maze, you will get a pop-up that says, "Good work, adventurer, dare to take on another quest." We will, as we're going to demo the special features. So first, we will be demoing the tunnel. So we'll start here, same instructions as before. We will still step on 8, 8, 7, 7, and now we will step on 6, 8. And you see the display has now blacked out. Taking your next step, you see the wall ahead of you open up. You crouch down and crawl along the new path, stepping back out into the dim torchlight once you reach the end. It seems that the passage led you deeper into the maze, but your memory of the path has been shaken. You're now located at row 4 in column 3. This message is to let the user know where they've been relocated to so they can make an adequate judgment on what steps they will be taking, and then now enter another step, enter a row and column. So because we're at 4, 3, I will step to 4, 4, 3, 3, and now I'll step to the space that triggers the slide. So I will step to 2, 4. As you see, it's gone black again, meaning that we've triggered another special feature. You take a step and feel yourself tumbling downward. Tumbling from a newly formed hole in the wall, you hit the ground with a thud as it closes. You look around and note that while you can't see much, where you are feels familiar, but your memory of the path has been shaken. You are now located at row 7, column 6. Now take another step, enter a row and column. So we're going to go 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, and to activate the score bonus, we're going to step on 4, 6. So you can see you take a step and feel a strong breeze. It feels as though you've turned back time. Your score has improved by a factor of 4. The score bonus is subtracted from our score. Our score is our total of incorrect steps. And so that score bonus offsets some of the incorrect steps the user may have made along the way. The score total is then multiplied by 14 and subtracted from our base loot. But if the score is negative, like if they got more score bonus than they did incorrect steps, then they will get an increase from the base loot. So now we will take another step. We're at 4, 6. We're going to go back to 5, 5, and then 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Good work, adventurer. Dare to take on another quest? Yes, we will indeed take on another quest. Click. And seeing as that was all of the special features ran within Maze 1, we will now run through Maze 2. So we will start stepping on row 8, column 4. And now I'll show what happens if you step on an incorrect space, such as row 8, column 3, which is not a valid step. You see the bitmap display blacks out. You can't go there. You feel the floor give out below you, and you fall out at the start. Enter a column number for a step in the first row. So now we have it set that our row is going to be 8. We know our column is going to be 4 because that was our first correct step. Then we're going to go to 7, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, and 1, 1. And that is the end of our maze 2. Through your success, you've been rewarded with 1,986 gold pieces and a golden scimitar encrusted in small gemstones. The golden scimitar is our specialty loot for maze 2, and our 1,986 gold pieces reflects the 2,000 gold base loot for bitmap for maze 2, and then 14 is taken away because we made one incorrect step. So now we will be taking on another maze, and we will go through the most difficult of the mazes, maze 3. So maze 3, first step, is going to be 8, 2. And now I'll just show you what happens if you try to take a step that is too far out of range, if it's not into an adjacent space. And this I built in for error checking. Let's say we try to take a step onto 4, 4. Skip ahead, get an edge. You are then corrected. You must only step 1 square away. Please try again. Now take another step. The user is not penalized for a step that is too far away. They are redirected to a correct step within range. This prevents any cheating or mistakes that occur along the way. So because we are currently at 8, 2, we will go to 7, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7, 6, 8, 5, 7, 4, 6, 3, 6, 3, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, and 1, 1. That is the final space of our maze. Through your success, you've been rewarded with 3,000 gold pieces, a golden ring with an emerald hummingbird, and an egg from an unknown creature that appears hatchable. Those last 2 items are our specialty loot for maze 3, and our 3,000 gold pieces is the base loot for maze 3. Because we didn't get any score bonuses, time bonus, anything like that, we don't build off the base loot, but because we did not make any mistakes, we did not lose anything from the base loot, so we got our 3,000 gold pieces. Good work, adventurer. Dare to take on another quest. Because we've demoed all 3 of these mazes, we will not be taking on another quest. And the program is finished running. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my maze game. And thank you for watching.